Hey, Mia, you are home.
Hi, Dad. I am very hungry. What is for dinner?
Dinner.
Yes, dinner. My tummy is really hungry. Dad, there is nothing here.
Let me check. Milk, ketchup, and 1 carrot.
That is not dinner.
Oh no, I forgot dinner again.
My tummy is making loud sounds.
I can hear it from here.
It wants food now.
Okay, I will fix this. I have a great idea. I will cook dinner.
Are you sure?
Trust Chef Dad. Last time you burned the noodles. This time will be different. Oil first. Now the pan. Perfect. Everything is under control.
Why is there smoke?
Oh. Smoke means flavor.
Dad, it smells funny. Dad!
Turn it off. Okay. Okay. The food is black. I think dinner is extra crispy. I don't think we can eat that.
Dad, why do you always forget dinner?
Sometimes I work too much and lose track of time.
You work hard every day.
But I still want to take care of you.
You are doing your best. I know what to do.
Plan B. What is Plan B? We order food.
Pizza? Pizza?
Big pizza with cheese.
Yay! Waiting is so hard.
Let's play a game while we wait.
Okay. What am I thinking about? Pizza. Did you get it? Heston pump to start. Correct.
Correct. I knew it.
I knew it. Finally.
The food is here. It smells amazing.
Best moment ever. Next time we cook together.
Yes, team cooking.
And no burning food.
Deal. Oh.
I like dinner with you, Dad.
I like it too, Mia.